Happy Diwali. What a pleasure to be joining with you all this evening. I know the celebration is going to continue, but as you said, I will have to withdraw. But it is a pleasure to light the diyas with you all and really just say how much, even though we are in dark times right now, we do need to celebrate the light. We need to be there for each other. That's why I encourage everyone to support local businesses. Go to your local sweet shop. Go to your local samosa shop. Support local businesses in a safe way, but encourage them to continue as we celebrate Diwali together. I wish you all the very, very best. As we celebrate all the things we have in common, we can know, High Commissioner, and it's such a pleasure to have you here, that Canada and India are the two largest democracies in the world. Canada by geography and India by population. And those things, among other things, will always bring us together. But thank you all for being here tonight. Thank you for including me in these wonderful celebrations, and have a very, very happy Diwali.
Hello everyone, my name is Tony Balnelli and I'm the Member of Parliament representing the riding of Niagara Falls. It is my pleasure to wish you and your families much happiness, health, prosperity and joy during Diwali. Let me begin by thanking the Indo-Canada Arts Council for hosting now what is the 7th annual Diwali festival known as Diwali RazzMatazz. Diwali is a festival of new beginnings and symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. And what better way to celebrate Diwali than here in Niagara on November 14th as we celebrate locally with our annual Santa Claus parade, Christmas tree lighting downtown, and more importantly, the start of our 38th annual Winter Festival of Light celebration. On behalf of my family, I would like to wish all of you a happy Diwali. Thank you, everyone.
This year, Diwali will have a different appearance, but I'm still so excited to celebrate the Festival of Lights. Diwali is the time to celebrate the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. I would like to share this box of sweets with our Premier and his family and extend my best wishes on this special occasion.
Hi everybody, I'm so excited to be celebrating my daughter's first Diwali and Bandi Chhor Divas this year. Diwali marks such an auspicious occasion for members of the Hindu community in Ontario, a celebration of good over evil. For members of the Sikh faith, we celebrate Bandi Chhor Divas as a day of liberation. I know this year's celebrations won't be like others, but I urge each and every one of you to celebrate responsibly.
I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Diwali and Bandi Chhor Divas. This is the time of year where we reflect and we think of light over darkness and good over evil. Although celebrations will be very different this year, I do want to wish everybody a very happy Diwali.
Diwali celebrates the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. We give thanks to many lives, blessing and share the gift like this box of treats I have for the Premier.
Just want to take this opportunity to wish everyone very, very happy Diwali and Bandi Chhor Divas. I know the celebrations are going to be a little different this year due to COVID, so celebrate it with your close family.
Diwali to me is a time to celebrate the good and positivity in the world. Premier, it is common to exchange sweets during Diwali, so please accept my favorite mithai from my family of Mississauga Malton for you to enjoy.
I want to thank my All-Star MPPs and their families for these incredible boxes of sweets. Carla and I are very excited to try these. You can always tell I haven't missed too many sweets in my days. I know celebrations will be different this year, but from my family to yours, I hope everyone celebrating has a happy, bright, and safe Diwali.
Hello, I'm David Adames, the CEO of the Niagara Parks Commission, and it gives me a great pleasure to bring greetings to the Canada Diwali RazzMatazz Festival organized by the Indo-Canada Arts Council as you celebrate Diwali this year. We send our best wishes for a great celebration.
Hi, this is Mayor Jim from Niagara Falls City Hall, and I'd like to wish a happy Diwali to all of our Indo-Canadian friends. The Festival of Diwali is known as a festival of lights, signifying the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. We're delighted to have the annual Diwali RazzMatazz Fireworks hosted by the Indo-Canada Arts Council in Niagara Falls again this year. This year, they've kept their tradition with a virtual festival. Congratulations to the Canada Diwali RazzMatazz Festival Committee, the volunteers, supporters, partners, and the founder directors, Ritika and AJ Modi.